Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Please tell me about your work experience.
I finished my school. I stopped studying. My first job experience is working as a sales lady in a mall in the Philippines. And then after that, I worked as a receptionist in Holiday Inn Hotel, also in the Philippines. I worked there for almost 2 years. And then after that, I worked as a customer service representative. It's a Sprint account, US based. I worked there for almost 4 years. And then my latest working experience is working as an assistant of the manager. It's a manufacturing company in the Philippines.
Can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities while on the job?
Yeah. On my first job, actually, I sell or I assist customers when they're buying clothes in the mall. And then after that, as a receptionist, I greet customers, assist with their bookings. And then after that, I work as a customer service. So usually I help customers to process their payments over the phone. And then the latest one as an assistant is I assist my manager with his work. So with his meetings, with his emails, like that.
And why you decided not to renew your contract with them?
Actually, I resigned and I decided to go here in Abu Dhabi or UAE, to try my luck, find a new job, get high salary.
Okay, how much
Yeah,
salary are you looking for?
around 2,000 and above, if
Why you're
possible.
why you're asking this amount? Why do you think you deserve this amount?
Because I deserve this amount because I make sure that my future employee, I will provide them the best service that I can give.
What is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Yeah, I can do anything actually. I know how to cook everything. Yeah.
What type of food can you cook?
Mostly Filipino food, but I can also cook with the help of cookbook.
What experience they have in cleaning?
Including actually in my own home. Yeah. And with taking care of kids, I had experience with my own two kids. Yeah.
In
Because
terms of
before I take care
in terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
is sick, if the baby is not healthy, he's not active, you can see it with his gestures, with his face, with his facial expression. You can tell if a kid is sick or not.
What is your first action when a baby cries out loud?
When the baby cries out loud, at first I will, get him or get her, and then check why. Check if he pee on his pants or if he had a poo poo, or ask her if she's hungry or what.
Okay. And what are your hobbies?
Hobbies: listening to music, yeah, watching.
And what is your favorite song?
Favorite song: most are love songs. I don't have specific favorite song actually.
Okay. And how long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years?
As long as I can, and as
Do,
long as I have a good employee.
do you have any message for your future employer?
Yes, hi, hello, ma'am, sir. Um, I will make sure that you will not regret hiring me, and I will do the best that I can for you
Thank,
to be happy.
thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.